Howdy food reviews here. Seafood feast for dinner here. Got some corn, some scallops, or not scallops, mussels or whatever. Got some shrimp and some snow crab legs. And some potatoes as well. Just took a shower. That's why my hair is all wet. This is the shrimp that has the skin on it still. But we'll, got my garbage can right here so I can take the skin off while I'm eating it. Shrimp is not my favorite, but I haven't had shrimp in a long time, so decided to get some shrimp. Shrimp is not as good as lobster, to be honest. Still pretty good, but it's not as good as lobster. I know there's some people that love shrimp out there that disagree with me, but... My poor mom, she's allergic to shrimp. She has a seafood allergy. But nowadays, there's like this thing where some people that can't... I know another person has a seafood allergy. Zack Attack Studios. He told me that before. I believe they're trying to find something to cure it. So people that have seafood allergies... But I don't know if they are. I think there might be something you can get, but I don't know. It's kind of a throwback to couple months ago when I had the when I had the lobster feast. If you remember. Here's a mussel. Got some sauce here. Potatoes. Well, this doesn't have a lot of meat in it, but sorry, you got some sauce in there. Basically, that doesn't have a lot of meat in it. Not a big fan of crab, really. I don't know, it's not as good as, like, lobster. Better than nothing, but it's not as good as lobster. Well, that does about it for this seafood feast. I still got some mussels left and some corn and potatoes, but going to eat the rest of this. They usually don't give you much in these seafood feasts anyway. But actually, my mom added the corn and the potatoes. It wasn't, I just calling it seafood feast. It was just basically seafood. But anyway, I give this all a rating of 8 out of 10. Peace.